Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete YouTube search history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete search history on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app, and over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see your profile picture icon or your Gmail icon. At the bottom right, tap on it, and over here on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on the settings or gear icon, and on this interface again you'll be required to tap on your data in YouTube, which is over here guys, just below the manage all history. Tap on your data in YouTube, and you'll be required to scroll down until you can find manage your YouTube search history. And over here guys, you can see over here it says the manage your YouTube search history. Tap on it, and all of your search history on YouTube will be available over here. Now you can see now in order to delete your YouTube search history, you can see the delete button available for us at the right side of the search history. Now in order to delete, tap on the delete at the right side, and you will given a custom range: delete all time and delete today only. Now in order to delete all of your search history or just which you want, tap on the delete custom range, or you can tap in your date over here in month and date year, and after that tap in your before and after date, and after that tap on next to proceed, or you can just tap on the delete today and your search history will be deleted like this, or just tap on the delete all time and all your search history on YouTube of all time will be deleted. And guys, this is how to delete your YouTube search history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.